What is this? Sea chicken. Yay! Very nice. This tree stump is huge! We getting snacks. Mongolian beef sandwich.
It's almost like
Char siu sandwich. Vietnamese. Oh, they have banh mi's right there. You get one? What is this? Sea chicken. Is that just fish? This is what I came here for. Ube cheesecake. Ube cheesecake. We have ube cookie dough. I want to try it, but I can't eat a whole pint. Today is Seattle trip day 2. We are attempting to go to Olympic National Park, but it's pouring out. So hopefully when we get there it'll be less rainy and we can do one hike, at least one hike. We're only planning to go to Marymere Falls. It's like a 1.7 mile hike, I think. And then there's a lot of like tree removal and they said road closures and stuff, so I don't know if we'll be able to go any further than that or see anything from Hurricane Ridge. I was hoping to maybe go to Forks, the town where they filmed, or where the Twilight movie is set, because I'm a fan, but I don't think it's happening, it's too far away. We are not going to be able to see anything up there. There's also these funky looking trees.
Clouds like coming up.
The clouds are steaming. Wow, that's really cool. There's a rainbow. We had to pull over on the side of the road because this view. Wow. It's so pretty. In Port Angeles. Wow, it really cleared up.
Yeah, maybe it'll be.
Made it. Yay! Very nice. We have made it to Lake Crescent. It's so dreamy. What is it? A bald eagle? Oh, there it is. Wow. This char siu banh mi thing is actually really good. There's like daikon and cucumber and mayo. Is it mayo? I don't know if it's mayo. But they have almost everything that a banh mi has, except the meat is just char siu meat. Marymere Falls Trail. Except it's pouring. Oh, okay. There's a visitor center over there. And there's that lake. Look at that tree. It's like a Dr. Seuss tree. This is really cool. There's a tunnel. Oh yeah, it looks just like the one in Newport on the cliff walk. Choose you time and time again,
till my story ends. I choose you. I'm all for you. Run away before I love you. I know you're nothing but trouble. Run away, run away, run away before
This tree stump is huge.
the strength to leave you. Run away, run away.
This bridge though. Oh, there's our tie. There's another bridge. This one's even cuter. This is so magical.
In the tropics, hear your name, I switch up the topic. Baby, this ain't no love song. This the last night, took way too much song. I feel free.
Wow. Oh, I can feel it.
Time and time again, till my story ends. I choose you. I'm all for you.
Where are we going, babe?
Run away before I love you. I know you're nothing
Soul
but
Duck
trouble.
Falls cul-de-sac. We are in the Soul Duck Valley.
Got the strength to leave you.
Location number 2. Is anyone here? Oh, no one is here. Guess we just saved $30. Looks kind of dark in there.
Ooh, whoa, this is really cool.
Yeah, this is a little scary. A little scary. I think this is it. Soul Duck Falls. This one looks really different from the other one, from the Mirror one. I think this one's more magical. The guy at the beginning, at the visitor center, said that Soul Duck Falls was like a fairy tale. It is kind of pretty so far.
Yeah, look at all the vegetation on the root of this bed tree.
Yeah. Oh, there's like a little...
It's like huge.
Oh yeah.
Tree root.
It's the tree root. This tree fell over. Now there's plants growing out of it. Must have been here a long time.
Look at that. There's like a rock.
These huge trees again.
I guess I could like.
Actually, we were wrong. Turns out the real Soul Duck Falls is a little further from the first waterfall. But we made it. It's pouring. This one's so much stronger than the other one. This looks like something out of Jurassic Park. It's so pretty. It's flooded. The water is steaming. This looks so cool. We did it, babe. Successful. We did everything we set out to do. Except, well, we didn't go to Forks. We just didn't have enough time.
We didn't do that.
We didn't do Hurricane Ridge because,
Well, check if the thing is nice then.
yeah,
We technically could.
the
But
webcam earlier said that it was very, very, very foggy. You can't see the views.
it is sunny
So we
now.
didn't go, but it's kind of sunny now. Maybe we should check. But we don't really have time.
We do have time.
It's
It's
gonna
just,
take us 4 hours to get home.
I know, but we do have time. It's just, we just gotta find someplace else to eat.
Yeah.
Dang, look how blue it is.
There's the lake. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Everything here is so beautiful.